And welcome to our lecture on stock valuation methods. In our previous episode, we discovered that Buffett bought the highest negative return aside from the highest positive return. So first things first, we're going to normalize his weights to make this 100% portfolio and make it for just this scenario only. Our assumptions show that we're going to have 9,000 Monte Carlo simulations, a target return of 10% and a risk-free rate of 10% as well. So our investment optimization results show the following scenarios that we're going to look at. This is your equal ratio, your Monte Carlo Sharpe ratio, your math optimization Sharpe ratio, your minimum volatility, and your Buffett's normalized weights. From first glance, we can see that your minimum volatility has the highest proportion in the Constellation brands, and this might be the strategy that Buffett used in order to purchase his stocks. But this means that he probably purchased the highest negative return in order to minimize the volatility. But this might not be the same for the Lamar advertising, considering that he only bought 2% and minimum volatility suggests that you buy 28.30%. Another thing that I found interesting is that your United Health Corporation has the same weight proportion as your minimum volatility as well as your equal weight. So considering that you're going to invest an amount of $50,000, here are the actual amounts you're going to put in each portfolio for each stock. So our Python investment portfolio analysis show the following Python results, of which we're going to just take it all into Excel for better analysis. So from this, we can see that it will not be idealistic to put all your eggs in one basket. In other words, putting all your amount within the Lamar advertising, considering you have a relative absolute valuation of 30.16. In other words, your price to earnings ratio tell you that the stock is actually overvalued as compared with the other portfolios that have a ratio that is roughly less than 20, meaning that it's fairly valued, and it's recommended that you do purchase this type of portfolio. So here is a view of all the portfolios with each of their stocks and their compounded annual growth rate with your PE ratio, Sharpe ratio, of which you can just pause to analyze for yourself. And I just quickly highlighted what points out at first glance. We have that risk comes from not knowing what you're doing by Warren Buffett, and I think DKAW turned uncertainty into clarity using a scientific lens.